What is transformational leadership? Transformational leadership is part of the full-range leadership model. Combined with transactional leadership, it leads to performance beyond expectations. Let's learn more about this type of leadership. Transformational leadership is a process that transforms people and moves them to accomplish more than what is expected. The full-range leadership model identifies 4 dimensions of transformational leadership. Inspirational motivation is creating a vision and goals that motivate followers to work hard. Intellectual stimulation is creating an environment that encourages people to innovate, take risks, and grow. Idealized influence is becoming a strong role model and showing others how to behave. Individualized consideration is establishing high-quality relationships with each follower and encouraging them to reach their fullest potential. Together, these actions can lead to increased job satisfaction, motivation, and performance, as well as decreased cynicism and turnover. It can also lead to high-quality relationships, well-developed social networks, and more successful mergers and acquisitions. Why does transformational leadership lead to these outcomes? Because the leader goes the extra mile for their followers are more likely to go the extra mile in return. Now let's take a look at what transformational leaders do. They begin by communicating an inspiring vision. They work with other stakeholders to create a vision of what the organization will look like in the future, and then they align it with the organization's strategy. They repeat it frequently, and they explain how each person can contribute to it. Transformational leaders also gain their followers' commitment to the group's superordinate goals. They give people a sense of purpose and encourage them to cooperate and share resources to accomplish these goals. Then they communicate their expectations for high performance. When we expect the best, our followers give the best. When we expect the bare minimum, our followers give only the bare minimum. But transformational leaders do more than just expect high performance. They also build their followers' confidence and help them develop their competencies. Transformational leaders are also role models, and they set high expectations for themselves. They show their followers which behaviors are valued, and they remember that their followers are always looking to them for cues about how to act. Transformational leaders are also change agents, and they challenge the status quo. They create an environment where people feel safe, sharing their ideas and taking appropriate risks. They challenge their own and others' assumptions, and they encourage people to learn from their successes and their mistakes. Finally, transformational leaders develop unique relationships with each of their followers. They respect them and show genuine concern for their well-being. They encourage them to grow professionally and personally, and they are sympathetic to their challenges. Leaders who combine these transformational leadership behaviors with transactional leadership behaviors can exceed the expectations in their organizations.